28th question, the value of n if in the expansion of y power half plus x power 1 by 3 power n, if the binomial coefficient of third term from the end is 45. Now, first if you note one thing, then it becomes a very simple problem, maybe just a 10-second problem. That is, what is the binomial coefficient of third term from the end? Actually, binomial coefficient of third term from the end is always NC2. Yes. Now, how do we justify this? Okay, we will take one simple example. Suppose, let us say, we will go to a plus b power 5. Suppose you try to do a plus b power 5. This is 5c0 a power 5 plus 5c1 a power 4b plus 5c2 a cube b square plus 5c3 a power 4 5c3 a square b cube plus 5c4 a b power 4 5c5 b power 5. So, this is the expansion. Now, if we talk about third term from the end binomial coefficient. Now, if you look at the third term from the end, first binomial coefficient, second binomial coefficient, third binomial coefficient. So, this binomial coefficient is 5c3. Yes. Now, this binomial coefficient is exactly equal to the third binomial coefficient from the starting. See, if you look at this, this is 5c0, 5c1, 5c2. Yes. And always because of symmetry, the first binomial coefficient from the beginning is always equal to first binomial coefficient from the end. See, 5c0 is 1, 5c5 is also 1, 5c1 is 5, 5c4 is also same as 5c1, that is 5. Yes. So, second from the beginning is second from the end. Similarly, third from the end is always equal to third from the beginning. We know 5c3 is equal to 5c2. Therefore, in general, the third binomial coefficient from the beginning will be NC0, NC1, NC2. Therefore, when they say third binomial coefficient from the end, it is same as saying third binomial coefficient from the beginning. And in any expansion, the third binomial coefficient will be NC2 because the first will be NC0, the second will be NC1, the third will be NC2. And according to the data, they have told us that it is 45, that is NC2 equal to 45, and we know the value of n is 10 because we know 10C2 is 45, otherwise you have to expand. So, NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 equal to 45. If you cross multiply, this will give you n into n minus 1 equal to 90. So, n equal to 10 will satisfy because if you put n equal to 10, you will get 10 into 9 equal to 90. So, n is equal to 10. Therefore, option C will be the required answer.